In this video, I will explain you what is linear regression with example and I will relate it with math. So let's begin. Regression is showing relationship between variables and on the basis of that do predictions. And linear regression is showing relationship between two variables, one dependent and second one is independent, and on the basis of that do predictions. If you don't know what a variable is, think of it like this. In your house you have a box. In that box you store your old stuff like toys. So that box is a variable and the toy is the value in this. So same like this is variable. So like you created a variable named age and in that you stored a value of your age that is 24. So whenever you call that variable age you get the value 24. So that is variable. What is dependent and independent variable? So let's look at it for this example. So let's suppose you buy a new RTX 3090 and you are selling your old RTX 3060. So you are predicting the price on which you will sell your old 3060. So whenever you are predicting, so that variable is dependent variable. On the basis of hours you are predicting the price. So that on the basis of which you predict is independent variable. So linear regression equation is y is equal to mx plus b, where y is equal to dependent variable and x is equal to independent variable, where m is the slope of the line, which means per unit change in x, how much value will be changed in y, and b is the intercept, which means if the value of x is equal to 0, what will the value of y. So I will explain this with a project. So the project is predicting the price of vintage car. So we will do this in 4 steps, which is collecting data, second is calculation, and third is predicting the price, and fourth is visualizing it. So first we will collect the data for x year old, how much the price will be. So second we will do calculation. Just look here, age and price here. So age and price is the data we have collected. So x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. So here we have collected the data. First we will calculate the mean of x. So we will add this all, 8 plus 10 plus 12, and we will divide by how much the value is. 1, 2, 3 value is. So the mean is equal to 10. So we will same for the mean of y. We will add the value of y here, price which is, and then we will divide it by 3. So the value is 13. So now we have to calculate deviation. So deviation we have to do is that first we will calculate deviation of x. So we will minus 8 minus 10, which is equal to minus 2, 10 minus 13 is equal to 2, and 0 means, and 12 minus 16 is equal to 2. And same we will do with deviation y, which is 10 minus 13 is equal to minus 3, and so on. 13 minus 13 is equal to 0, 60 minus 13 is equal to 3. And now we will do product of deviations. So we will multiply this x and deviation x and deviation y, which is we will multiply it here like this, all three, and the value we get here is minus minus plus 6, 0, 6. And we will do next sum of product of deviation. So we will plus it all. So the value we get is 12. Next we will do square of deviation for x. So here what we will do is we will square x. So deviation x. So minus 2 minus 2 in square is equal, minus 2 square is equal to 4 because it is in plus, and 0 square is equal to 0 here, and 2 square is equal to 4. So here we have done this much stuff. So now here is our equation, y is equal to m x plus b. So here we have our y already, and m also here we have already, m not x we have already, and we have to calculate m and b. So here you can see that y and x is there. Okay, y is here, our x is here. Okay, now we will calculate m and b. So in order to calculate m, this is the formula, sum of product of deviations divided by sum of square of deviation for x. So here we will do here m. So what is the sum of product of deviation? Let's look. Sum of product of deviation is equal to 12 divided by 8, which is sum of product of square of deviation. So we will plus it all here. So which is the value our 8. So we will divide it. So when we divide it, what value we get? We get 1.5. Okay. Now we have done here. Now we will calculate b. B is equal to mean of y and m minus m into mean of x. So what is mean of y? Let's show you here. So mean of y. So this is mean of y, which is 13, and m is our this. We have 1.5, which we have calculated here. You can see here 1.5 is our, and we have to mean of x. We have to multiply it with mean of x, which is 10. So let's do it. Sorry for writing like this, but I am not used to use graphic tablets. So here is 13 minus 1.5 in bracket into 10. 13 minus 15 is equal to minus 2. So here we have done, we have find a b, and now we will visualize it. So let's visualize it. So now we have get the b. So this means that we will visualize it now. So I have visualized it. You can see this here. So x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. So I have visualized it by positive regression. And here you have the price we have gotten and age we have gotten. I have showed it here. So x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 10. So here is 8 and y is equal to 10, which you can see this. And same for x is equal to 10, then y is equal to 12, which is the price, independent and dependent variable. And now when somebody give you that calculate this, predict this, if the age is 40 years old and now you predict the price. So you can easily do that because you have m, which is 1.5, and now you have getted this, now you have gotten this x, which is 40. So, and you have also b, so you can do minus 2, and now we can multiply it. This is 60 minus 2. Now we have got $58.
If you want more exclusive videos, or you want me to make a personal video for you, if you want me to answer your questions, you should click the top link in the description. That will take you to my school community, which is made for people who love machine learning. By doing so, you will get exclusive videos there, answers to your questions, and personally videos made for you according to your request. By doing so, you will support me and this channel because I am doing this full time and this is my only job. Thank you.